Hi guys, welcome to Food and Living. You must have seen memes that during this 21 days lockdown, how the eyebrows have grown into thick, braidable form of hair or very long hair, and this is a real problem, something which we all of us are facing. And I'm trying to show you some of the simple things that I try to do with whatever is available at home. But of course, you need a few things to at least trim it and then have a little groomed look. So for this, I'm talking about the eyebrows and upper lip and the facial hair, of course. So what typically we would need is eyebrow thread, a threading thread, which is very easy. We have to just take a thread and then just put a knot at the end of it like this. You can see. Can't see that, but yeah, just show in the background of my shirt. So just knot it here at the end, and then what you will do is just with the help of your thumb and your index finger, just hold it like this. Same thing with the other hand too, and then you'll twist it, and then again you'll do it. Now with the help of, I'll just show you. With the help of these two fingers only, you'll just start moving it like this. With one hand you will hold it stiff, and the other hand you'll start moving it this way. So try to give 3 to 4 twists and then start doing it. I'll just show you. You can apply a little bit of powder also, and then just like a parlor wali or a parlor person would do, you'll just start doing it. So this way you can get rid of your upper lip, your lower lip, and then if you have any hair here, the same thing you can do. Actually you can do it with overall also, but I don't think it is possible for everybody, because if you don't have practice, it's very difficult to do it. But you can definitely try and do the upper lip and the lower lip. I'll just show it again how I did it. So just hold it and twist it. 4 to 5 twists. Just see that this knot is going on the other side and not coming in the middle, and then you'll do it like this. Just move, hold this stiff, and then move this very slowly. This way you can remove most of the hair. So I hope this is clear. And for the eyebrows also you can do, but my eyebrows are very thick and I can't really do that for myself. So what I have tried and done to groom is just taking this eyebrow brush. You can just brush it this way. Actually, if you can see, one is very thick and one is very thin here, but that is how it is. I have to fill it up, and then with the help of a very fine scissor like this, you can just trim off the excess. If there is any excess hair, you can trim it off this way. Likewise here, I have not gone very close because that is okay. I can always fill it up, and I don't want to ruin it because I'm not used to doing my eyebrows anytime. I have always been to the parlor to get the eyebrows done. Trim it, and then if you have any excess, you can very closely, you can try to just cut it and hold it. If you have, or if you can take the help of any person to do it, then it is better to hold it tight and not give any cut. So here also you can use a powder and then apply an astringent later if you have. Otherwise you can just use a moisturizer. And after you have tried to trim your eyebrows, you can use eyebrow pencil just to fill in any sparse areas. So this is very easy to do. And coming to the face, the other option is definitely using a razor like this. This is Venus Breeze razor. This is Venus Breeze razor. So this one is with the coat. It comes with 2 pads, a cushion, or it is actually having soap. This comes with a cushion and it is actually soap. You can dip it in water and then you can just remove the excess hair, the facial hair. Or if you have something like this, you can go with this. This does not have any soap covering or any extra padding, but don't touch the razor because it's very sharp. But you can use a a tiny bit of soap or a face wash or anything, and then just do this, and all your hair, excess hair, will be removed. Actually, this is not, there is a myth that if you shave your face then your hair will start growing thick, but it is not so. I definitely use this a lot, and I have had very good results. And a better version or easy version is definitely this one. This is Venus Breeze. As I told you, there are two types of it. Very easy to use. Just dip it in water, and then you can also shave your hands, your legs, and your underarms also. Whatever is comfortable to you, please do that. So this is very simple to do, and you can trim your hair and trim your eyebrows, your upper lip, and this is what you can do. So there is something like this, a spring also. You can also try to do that, but I don't find this very effective, plus it's a little irritating. But if you're okay using, or for the time being, whatever is there, you can use it. See, very small hair also can be pulled out from this. At times it is a little painful though. Also, do not forget to moisturize and apply sunscreen to your face after you have done all the shaving, so that your skin is feeling soft and supple too. So do not forget that step also, and drink lots of water so that your skin is glowing. And of course, you are staying at home, so definitely the skin and hair are getting better for sure. And this is what we can try and do for now, until there is lockdown and until you have access to any beauty parlor or any beautician around you. So hope this is helpful to you guys, and if you do try, then do let me know in the comment section how you like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy grooming.